Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a mobile number in the HotelTonight application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and at the your information section, look for the mobile number button and click on that. So first you have to select the country, and then just type in your mobile number and then click on the save button, and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.